Let's start. So by first of all create an MP file test.py. Here what we want to achieve is that, let's say we are given a list like this, and we want to figure out the frequency of each element present in the list. Okay, so for our example, the output should be 1 2, right? And then I think some download is completed. 2 1 3 1 and 4 1. 1 is repeated 2 times, one time here and one time here, so its frequency is 2. Then the number of times 2 is repeated is 1, so this should be the output, right? So depending on the language, there can be different algorithms to achieve this, right? But if we are talking about Python in particular, then we can use a mixture of dictionaries and lists to make this work. First of all, let's just get our data, which is 1 2 3 4 1 4, right? Let's just get the empty result dictionary. Okay, then what we just have to do is we just have to grab each element from the array and we have to update it, okay, into this dictionary, right? Element and array dot count of that particular element, right? Then I can simply print it, print the result, save. Let's run this. Python test.py, and here we are getting the elements, right? If you want the output to look just like this, you can just iterate through this list for a comma b in result dot items. I'm typing really fast, so a print a comma b, and let's remove this print, save this, run this again. Here's the output. So thanks for watching this. See you in the next video.